Alright students, so let us see another problem on chi-square distribution. Chi-square test. Okay, so the question says a sample analysis of examination results of 500 students was made. Okay, so the results of 500 students is being considered under the study. So it was found that 220 students had failed, 170 secured third class, and 90 secured second class, and of course 20 secured the first class. Okay, so they are asking us to test if these figures support the general examination results in the ratio. These are the general examination results which are given in the ratio 4:3:2:1 for the total strength, that is 500 students for the respective categories. Okay, this chi-square comparative value is already given. I told you this value usually will be from the chi-square table. They will give you in the question, even for students tree distribution, and even for this they will give you. But when it is in the case of large samples, the critical values you should remember. They may not give sometimes. Sometimes they will give. Alright, so let us find the expected frequencies for respective categories with the, in terms of this ratio. Okay, 4:3:2:1 out of 500. So ratio of 4 times on 500 is given by, just add this, you are gonna get 10. So 4 by 10 into 500 is the first category. What is the first category? Number of students who failed. And then we have 3 by 10 of 500 is the next category, that is people who have secured third class. Next, coming to the next one, 2 by 10 will be the third category, that is people who secured second class. And here the ratio is 1 by 10 of 500 will be the last category, where people who secured the first class. Okay, so here you are going to get how much? 200. The respective values are 200 and then 150 and then 100 and then 50. These are the respective expected frequencies, or otherwise you can also call them as theoretical frequencies. So we got the theoretical frequencies. Now let us make the table. OI and EI values. OI are the observed values and EI are the expected values. So expected values are 200, 150, 100 and 50. Now OI values, how do you get it? You are going to get it from the given question. So how many students have failed? 220 out of 500. Again, how many students got third class? 170. People who secured the second class are 90. And people who secured the first class are 20. So this is the table. Now let us apply the chi-square formula. The chi-square formula is given by summation over I equal to 1 to n y minus ei the whole square divided by ei. Okay, so this is equals to, so let us take this difference, whole square by ei. So 220 minus 200 divided by 200 plus 170 minus 150, sorry, you got to put a whole square here, divided by the respective ei is 150 plus 90 minus 100 the whole square divided by 100 plus 20 minus 50 the whole square divided by 50. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. Now simplify. So you are going to get 400 by 200 plus again 400 by 150 plus this is going to be 100 by 100 plus this is going to be 900 by 50. So just add all the fractions. You're going to get 23.67. Use your calci. Correct to the second decimal place. This is the value. Okay. Why did I take to the second decimal place? You can see here the chi-square calculated value is given as only for the second decimal place. And why did they mention 3 degrees of freedom, guys? You can see what is n in this case. We have how many up to 4. Okay. So what is the degrees of freedom here? Why is it 3? Because always the degrees of freedom is given by n minus 1. So it's going to be 4 minus 1, which is 3. So n is 4, the number of observations. And now chi-square calculated value is 23.67, but chi-square critical value is 7.81. That is, you can see here, chi-square calculated, that is this value, is less than chi-square critical. No, it's greater than, sorry. Greater than chi-square critical. Why? Because you can see here 23.67 is far more greater than 7.81. Hence, what is the inference that you are going to give here? The hypothesis is supposed to be rejected. Hypothesis is rejected. Okay. So, what does the hypothesis say? These figures support the general examination results. Okay, that is the hypothesis. No, we say that the figures do not support the general examination result. Hence, because the hypothesis is rejected. So, this is how you can compare the chi-square calculated with the chi-square critical value and give your inference here. Understood, guys?